Hey guys, so have you ever wondered how this was made? Or this? Or this? They're called stop motion animation videos, and on today's tutorial Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you how to do that on your smartphone. My name is Okafor Chena, and if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get into the video. So welcome back. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you. If you haven't, please do subscribe right now and also like this video so more people can watch this video. Let's get into it. We're talking about stop motion animation. Stop motion animation basically is a series of pictures when played back creates an illusion of movement. So basically it's an object and you take a picture of that object, you move the object, you take another picture, you move the object, and so on. And when it plays back, it's almost like the object has a life of its own and is moving. So when you play it back, it sort of gives a very unique feel. It sort of gives a very unique feel to the video. And yeah, so I'm going to be showing you a practical example of how to create a stop motion animation. Yeah, so let's get into it. Things you should have on your set while you're making the stop motion animation is one, your lights. I have my lights here stationed well lit on the subject that I'm trying to do the stop motion for. I also have my tripod on my phone, and yeah, I also have a level playing system surface for me to do the stop motion animation on. So the app I'm going to be using is called Life Lapse. There are quite a lot of apps that you can use, like stop motion and the rest, but I'm using Life Lapse because it was specifically made for influencers and content creators, and it's very easy and hassle-free. So basically, to start, I have already set my exposure. I have also set the white balance, and I've also set the focus, and I have also put the timer. So this is how the whole set looks like. So the plan for this shot is to use the stop motion animation effect to get these items in this, just literally to unbox this box. Yeah, to unbox everything inside it. So I can start by removing everything, then do the stop motion effect to put it back in the box, or vice versa. From your Life Lapse app, all you just have to do after you set the exposure correctly and you lock it in, you set your auto white balance and your focus so they don't change while you're doing it. Then you go to your time your record. You go to your record button, the time interval between different pictures. So let's just use 5 seconds and go. So after it will count down to 5, then it will take the first picture. Then it will count down to 5 again and take the second picture. To count down to 5. And the good thing about time lapse is it shows you your previous picture, so you know exactly how it's going to look like when you are going through the whole process. So I'm going to speed this part up until when everything is out. So when you're done recording, you just press the play So there you go, guys. That's basically what the stop motion animation is all about. And also things to note is, one, there must be constant light, so there won't be any flicker. If you're using the light from the sun, there may be a lot of inconsistencies. It's best for you to get your own lights perfectly. Also good for there to be a tripod stand, a mobile phone tripod stand. If you're shooting, when you're shooting your mobile phone, there should be a mobile phone tripod stand so you can effectively get a very crisp and plain shot that's not shaky at all. Also, you want to know the idea of the video and the movement of the object, the direction that the object is going to beforehand, so you know how to plan your shots and for it to actually just flow smoothly and have a very good reading. So if you do all this correctly, you are going to achieve a very beautiful stop motion animation effect. And also you can get all these items on Jumia Nigeria's mobile app, and using my code APKUSH will give you a 10% discount on these items I mentioned. Yeah, so go use it and also share with your friends. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. I'm really appreciative of the growth of the channel from when we started till now. I really appreciate you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Also like this video so a lot of people can see it, and also share this video if you like what you see. My name is Okafor China, and I will see you on the next video.